become future stars. Chapter 4. Fun and Frolic. Let's learn together. Enjoy games safely. Celebrate festivals happily. Be creative daily. Respect family and friends. Fun and frolic mean enjoying ourselves and having a good time. Playing games, laughing, celebrating festivals, and spending happy moments with family and friends make our lives joyful and cheerful. Everyone needs fun in their life because it keeps us happy, healthy, and active. Types of fun activities. Outdoor games. Outdoor games are games that we play outside our homes. Children enjoy running, skipping, playing football, cricket, or hide and seek. Outdoor games help us stay healthy, build strength, and make new friends. Indoor games. Indoor games are games that we can play inside the house. Examples include puzzles, board games, and drawing. These games help us think, concentrate, and enjoy ourselves even when we cannot go outside. Creative fun. Creative fun includes activities that use our imagination, talent, and skills. Children enjoy singing, dancing, acting, painting, and making crafts. These activities make us creative, confident, and happy. Festival fun. Festivals are special occasions that bring joy, celebration, and togetherness. Families and friends come together to celebrate festivals. Here are some important festivals in India. Dashehra. Dashehra is a festival that celebrates the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated with great joy in many parts of India. People watch Ramlila plays which tell the story of Lord Rama and Ravana. Large effigies of Ravana are burnt, and children enjoy the fireworks and sweets. Dashehra teaches us that good always wins over evil. Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. People decorate their homes with lamps, candles, and rangoli. Families come together to share sweets, gifts, and love. Children enjoy bursting crackers safely under adult supervision. Diwali is a festival that spreads happiness, light, and positivity everywhere. Holi. Holi is also known as the Festival of Colors. It marks the arrival of spring and is celebrated with great excitement. People throw colored powders, dance on music, and enjoy special foods. Children love to play Holi with their friends and neighbors. Holi teaches us to set aside our differences and celebrate together. Eid. Eid is an important festival celebrated by Muslims. It comes after the holy month of Ramadan, a month of fasting. On Eid, people pray in mosques, wear new clothes, and share food with family and friends. Children enjoy receiving gifts and sweets. Eid teaches us about sharing, kindness, and gratitude. Guru Parv. Guru Parv is a Sikh festival that celebrates the teachings of the Gurus. People visit the Gurudwara, listen to hymns, and take part in community meals called langar. Children learn to respect elders, help others, and follow good values. Guru Parv is a festival of learning, sharing, and devotion. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. Families decorate Christmas trees, sing carols, exchange gifts, and enjoy special meals. Children eagerly wait to receive presents from Santa Claus. Christmas is a festival that brings joy, love, and togetherness. National festivals. India has special days called national festivals. Two important ones are Independence Day and Republic Day. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. On this day, we remember the freedom fighters who worked hard to make India free from British rule in 1947. People hoist the national flag, sing the national anthem, and enjoy parades, dances, and cultural programs. Children learn to respect and feel proud of their country. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. It reminds us of the day in 1950 when India got its constitution and became a republic. The President hoists the national flag at Kartavya Path on this day every year, where a grand parade with soldiers, tanks, and cultural performances takes place. Schools also celebrate with songs and dances. Children learn about their duties, rights, and respect for the law. Birthdays as festivals. We celebrate special days like birthdays and festivals in schools. One very special day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 14th November, which is celebrated as Children's Day. He loved children very much, and everyone lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. On this day, schools have games, songs, dances, and cultural programs. Children also get cakes, gifts, and treats. Children's Day teaches us to be happy, kind, and love learning, just like Chacha Nehru wanted. Recap. Fun keeps us happy, healthy, and active. Outdoor, indoor, creative fun, and festivals are all important. Celebrate safely with family and friends. Respect and share happiness with others. Word search. Respect treating others kindly. Sharing, giving, or enjoying together. Like, share, and subscribe.